everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and I post videos on makeup and hairstyling. So I am super excited to be bringing this video to you today because I am going to be sharing this beautiful soft party makeup look which you can wear with any kind of outfit, whether it is Indian or Western. One of the best part about this makeup is that it doesn't have an eyeliner. So all my friends who have shaky hands and who dread applying an eyeliner, this is the one for you. This has been one of my favorite party makeups for the longest amount of time. So let's not waste any further time and jump right into it. I've already cleansed, toned and moisturized my skin. If you are interested in my skin prep routine, I will be linking the video in the I button above and also in the description box below, so you can go and have a look. Before I begin the makeup, I am going to be applying a primer on my face to prepare the canvas for makeup application, and I am using the Benefit Professional Primer. Since I do have few acne and pimples on my face, today I am going to be beginning with some color correction, and I am using the Bobbi Brown Dark Peach Color Corrector. The color correction is an optional step only to be done when you have dark circles as well as deep marks on your face. You can completely skip it if you wish to. Blending it all in using a damp beauty blender. Moving forward with the foundation, I am going to be using the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in the shade Warm Honey. Blending the foundation in place using a damp beauty blender with light tapping motions so that I do not move the color corrector that I have applied underneath. In the next step, I am going to apply a concealer. So I am going to be picking a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I am applying the concealer on the visible acne spots, under eyes, sides of my mouth, bridge of my nose and forehead. Carefully blending the concealer using a small beauty blender. Also applying a drop of the same concealer on my eyelids to create a base for my eye makeup. Now starting with my eyebrows, I am going to brush them first and use the Benefit Browsings to fill my eyebrows. Now let's get started with the eye makeup. Today I've picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. And using a fluffy brush, I am using the first color, which is Burnt Orange, and applying it on my crease line. Blend it in place using light sweeping motions. Next, I am picking the color Sienna and applying it just below the first color, creating a light gradation. Finally, I am picking the color Sultry with my fingers and applying it on my eyeball area. Next, I pick up the color Glistening using a flat shader brush and apply it near to the lash line to give a more popped out look. Next, I've picked up my favorite Faces Magnetized Kajal pencil and tightline my upper and lower lash line. Sealing the black kajal in place using a black eyeshadow. Time now to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and today I am using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Now to finish my face, I am going to be first applying my favorite Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Now for the blusher, I am going to be using my usual Smashbox blusher. For the lipstick, I prefer to go for a nude look, so I am going to be using a matte lipstick in the shade Vegas Volt. And that's it. That's the finished look. That's the soft party makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button for me and also share this video with your family and friends. If you do try this look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.